Blend it in and stand out with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finish Cream to Powder Foundation. And just like its possible bougie twin, the KVD Beauty Good Apple Foundation, it is also vegan and cruelty-free, made with lily, bamboo extracts, green tea, and antioxidant-rich vitamins such as vitamins A and E. Hi, my name is Munisa and I make beauty-related videos just like this one. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to be a part of my SAS fam. Now, unlike the Good Apple Foundation, which comes in 40 shades, the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation only comes in these 22 shades. But on the plus side, at least they aren't all sold out. And I got the shade Buff 208, which is a light shade with peachy neutral undertones. They say to apply it you can use the foundation sponge that it comes with, but it's like, no, just too flimsy for me. So I'll use my trusty foundation brush and apply a thin layer of the foundation without applying any primer. And this is what one layer looks like, and nothing on this side. For this side, let's go in with my Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimizer Primer and then apply the foundation to see what happens. And this is what one layer of the foundation looks like with and without the primer. As I mentioned in my comparisons video of the two foundations, this foundation spread like butter as well. And just like the KVD foundation, a little bit of the Milani foundation goes a long way too. It feels lightweight and hydrating. I'm not noticing any creasing under my eyes, even though I haven't set my face yet. And just like the KVD foundation, it has a soft matte finish that instantly dries down to a powder-like finish. And in terms of coverage, I'd say it is medium to full coverage. Since they also say that it is a buildable full coverage foundation, I'm going to apply another thinner layer. And the reason I apply and build up my foundation in thin layers rather than one thick layer is because one thick layer of the foundation may not get a chance to fully absorb into your skin before you set it, making you look cakey throughout the day. And that is my beauty tip for you today. This is what 2 layers look like, and even after 2 layers, I'm not noticing any creasing, even though I haven't set my face yet. And if your pores need blurring out like mine do, you definitely need a primer with this foundation. Now, it says that it is a long-wearing foundation that is sweat-proof, waterproof, and the lily and bamboo extracts will control oil and shine for up to 16 hours. So I'll check back in after a couple of hours just to see how well the foundation and I are doing. 2 hours later and I'm not feeling my lipstick, but other than that, everything seems to have settled and blended into my face quite nicely. And then looking up close, I don't notice any caking or creasing. It's been 10 hours since I applied this foundation and it still looks good. It's giving me a nice healthy glow without making me look like a disco ball. Still feels hydrating, and looking up close, there is no caking or creasing. My final thoughts on the Milani Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finish Cream to Powder Foundation is that for 17 Canadian dollars plus tax or $13.50 plus tax if you buy it on sale like I did, I think it's worth it. And in terms of ratings, I'm giving it 4.5 stars because even after 10 hours, it feels lightweight, hydrating without looking too shiny. Plus, I'm not noticing it caking or creasing anywhere, and there's barely any transfer on my mask. To check if it is waterproof, I'm just going to quickly blot my face with a clean tissue before applying the water, and then with a clean cotton round, I'm just going to dab the area dry. Unfortunately, quite a bit of the foundation transferred onto the cotton round, so I can't say that this foundation is waterproof. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for my weekly beauty tips and product reviews. You can also click here to check out my review on the KVD Beauty Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm, or here for the Huda Beauty #4Filter Skin Finish Foundation, which is another waterproof cream-based foundation, and I'll see you there.